What's the meaning of constative? Constative. Constative.
Constative. Constative. The term constative is used in linguistics to refer to a type of statement that is either true or false. In other words, a constative statement is one that can be evaluated for its truth value. This is different from an performative statement, which is an utterance that does not make a claim about the world, but rather performs an action, such as making a promise or giving an order. Constative statements are important in fields like logic and semantics, where the truth or falsehood of a statement is a crucial aspect of its meaning.